Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your YouTube video description so viewers can easily access it. Okay, so first, simply open the YouTube Studio on your PC or phone. And once you do that, you can then go to Content, then click the video that you want to edit. Alright, so next, simply scroll down to the description box and type or paste the URL that you want to share. Then simply make sure it starts with https and 2 slashes. So this is literally what we will allow it to become clickable. So you can also add text around it, like check this out before the link. And finally, you can then click save. And when your viewers open your video description, they'll then be able to click the link directly. And that's it. So that's how to add a clickable link to your YouTube video description. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.